Hello, my name is Sue. I would like to introduce Kahoot, something that makes the classroom less serious and more fun as my midterm project. Kahoot is a free game-based learning platform that any user can access to create quizzes, jumble, or to collect surveys. There are 2 points of view. For player point of view, it will only ask 2 simple things, which is game pin and a nickname. As for creators, when you sign up for Kahoot, it asks if you're a student or educator. While creating, it will also ask to fill out who is the audience. There are unlimited benefits to play Kahoot. As you can see, you cannot just be a consumer of the game, but you can also become creator yourself, and it's very simple to do so. English is not the only option. There are 40 other languages you can choose to create with. Thus, it creates a global attraction, not just limited to English speaker. Nextly, to an age group, Kahoot website welcome any age from teen, adult to elders. Because it is your choice to create any questions you like. It is up to self and does not limit any ages. Learning can be very restricted sometimes. However, as for Kahoot, you can use any device such as smartphone, computer to access the quiz. This learning game can be very interactive because Kahoot is a synchronized type of interaction while the questions are displayed on teacher screen and the student have to reply using their devices. Therefore, the player have to be attended with a timer set on for quiz. Whoever answers the question fast have higher reward points. This makes the learner engaging and fun while creating friendly competition. There are many technology advances like iClicker and Flickr, which one of my professors is using, digital ebook, and a flipped classroom. Some of the advances can be boring to use. Kahoot adds fun in learning. Kahoot can be a great game in both traditional classroom, which can be used as recap quiz of what the teacher was lecturing about so that the student will pay attention more from now on. And as for a flipped classroom, well, the teacher can assign the student lectures video to watch ahead at home, and during the class time, teacher can use as a learning tool for students. Another great reason to take advantage of Kahoot is the survey option. For example, to make the classroom and the student experience better, the teacher wants to know what needs to be improved for student, so the teacher can design some question and answer to have the student opinion on. Kahoot is often used by student and teacher for the classroom. Kahoot has an option to play as an individual or as a team. It promotes active learning while also support collaboration and partnership in the team game. One of the readings that we had, Jacob Bishop and Matthew Veliger said, students like interactive class more than in-person lecture because no one wants to listen to boring lecture when they can have some fun with something else. Therefore, flipped classroom is a great ideal new pedagogical method to have students view the online lecture at home. In class, they can Kahoot and create active learning, problem solving, and any survey question on the topic they need help. Another great way is letting the student become creator by having them write their own questions because they learn the best when they are the one creating questions and have other students take the quizzes. This creates a participatory culture because one of the video, Mimi Ito explained digital media can affect and change relationship and community. She said interest-driven activities, geeking out, hanging out, or messing around by which means letting the student create their own questions can bring potential benefit and intellectual ideas. The best thing about Kahoot is while students play, the visual background and auditory music appeal of Kahoot make it exciting and motivating. Personally, I love to hum along with the music and play Kahoot because I like competition and earning high points make me feel accomplished. Formal learning and informal learning create new knowledge and ideas. Flipped classroom, which is an engaged learning base, since we're having quizzes, why not make it fun and active for students with Kahoot so that they can actually look forward to quizzes? Thank you.